Hey everyone, you're welcome once more to NETH. If you are new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there struggling with Israel maths or even physics. Alright? So today we are going to look at a problem actually on mensuration, and the question says we should calculate the distance between 2 points. Okay, let's call it x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so we have this point and this point. Now let's try to understand the problem. If we have a line, let's call this point A and point B. So point A we have x1, y1, and point B we have x2, y2. Okay. So how do we calculate distance between these 2 points? All you need to do is you want to draw a triangle. Okay. And this point here we have is y2, and this point here is our y1. This point is our x2, and this point is our x1. Okay, let's call this A, B, and this distance D. All right. Now, if you can recall our Pythagoras theorem, it states that what if we have triangle, a right angle triangle. So the distance square is equals to what? So this distance square is equals to what? The opposite square plus what? The adjacent square. So we have a square plus what? B square. Okay, this is by what? Pythagoras what? Theorem. Alright, so now our D, that's this distance is going to be what? We are going to take the square root of both sides to eliminate this. So we have square root of what? A square plus what? B square. Well, the question is what is our A? Okay, from this diagram. A is simply going to be this length. So it's going to be x2 minus x1. So in place of A, I'm going to put what? X2 minus x1, all in bracket what? Squared plus what? Now in place of B is the difference of these two what? Lengths. So we have B as y2 minus y1. So in place of B, we are going to put what? Y2 minus y1, all in bracket squared. Okay, now I've gotten this. Let's come back to this expression. We can see that our x1 is minus 2, while our y1 is minus 5, our x2 is minus 1, and y2 is what? 3. So we are going to input all that information into what? This expression, all right, for us to be able to find the distance in units. Right, so let's do that. Our distance, is going to be square root. So what is my x2? Okay, our x2 is minus 1, so I have minus 1. Okay, so we have minus. So what is our x1? x1 is minus 2, so we have minus 2. Okay, so all in brackets. So we have square there, plus. Okay, now what is our y2? Our y2 is what? 3, so we have 3. Okay, minus. Okay, our y1 says minus 5, so we are going to put what? Minus what? 5. Okay, so all that in bracket was squared. Okay, so now that we have gotten that, we can now what? Solve that further. So the distance is going to be, so we have minus times minus is going to be plus, so I have minus 1 plus 2 all squared plus. Now minus times minus is also going to be plus. Okay, so we have 3 plus what? 5 all what? Squared. Now the distance is going to be, okay, now minus 1 plus 2 is going to be what? We are going to pick plus. Okay, since the signs are not the same, we are going to say 2 minus what? 1, which is 1. So we have plus 1 squared plus 3 plus 5 is what? 8. So we have what? 8 what? Squared. Alright? So this is going to give us the distance is going to be 1 squared means 1 times 1, which is 1, plus 8 squared also means what? 8 times 8, which is what? 60 what? 4. Alright? So the distance is going to be square root of what? 1 plus what? 64 is what? 65 what? Units. Okay? Now I can say it is, the square root of 65 units, or you can also say the distance. If you take the square root of this, it should be around 8.06 units. Okay? So either of that is the correct answer to this what simple what problem. All right. So this distance is actually square root of what? 65 what? Units. Okay. Now your unit could be in centimeter, it could be in meter, or whatever what measurement of what length. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. You can drop a comment too. And remember to share this video to someone out there. Alright? I'll see you guys in my next video. You take care. Bye.